Today we're going to learn about focus stacking. We can achieve this in two ways, by exporting the images from Lightroom to Photoshop, or by importing the images directly into Photoshop. What is focus stacking? Focus stacking is a digital image processing technique which combines multiple images taken at different focus distances to give us a resulting image with a greater depth of field than any of the individual source images. You can accomplish this in two ways. Some cameras have a special function which allows you to set this up, and it will automatically take the images for you. If your camera is unable to do this, then doing it manually works just as well. The most important thing to note for the manual process is to not move the camera at all. Place the camera on a sturdy tripod, set your focus point, take the shot, change the focus point and take the second shot, then the third and the fourth, and so on, all without shifting the camera. If the camera does shift a little, we can fix this in Photoshop, but you should try your very best to not move it at all. Once you have your images, open Lightroom and import them. You can scroll through the images and see how each image has a different focus distance. Edit your first image, then copy and paste the developed settings to the other images. Now we need to move over to Photoshop. Select all the images, then go to Photo, Edit in, Open as Layers in Photoshop. In Photoshop, you can view all the images and see how they are stacked together. The first thing we want to do is to align all 5 images. Select your layers, go to Edit, Auto Align Layers, ensure Auto is selected and click OK. Once completed, you now need to crop the image to get rid of any transparent sections. From here, go back to Edit, Auto Blend Layers, and then ensure Stack Images is selected and click OK. And there you have it. We now have one single image with all our focus points together. What Photoshop did was to create a mask for each layer and only made the focus points visible. And so if I go through each layer, you can see how they all come together to provide one final image. You can also do this from within Photoshop by going to File, Scripts, Load Files into Stack. Browse to where the images are, select all your images, and then ensure that you select Attempt to automatically align source images, and click OK. From here, we just do the same thing. Crop the image and then apply the auto blend. Thank you for watching, and do remember to subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos like this.